a little touch that we do here at my barber shop is we shave everybody's neck with the straight razor and some type of shaving cream. So what I use is I have a brushless shave lotion. That's part of my Zorian of New York line. So what this is, it has aloe and shea butter in it. Shea butter is an anti-inflammatory. Aloe softens the skin, and it also has a ton of skin conditioner in it as well, a little bit of oil. So this is going to give them a nice, smooth, comfortable shave. And the fact that it's a lotion, it's kind of like a moisturizing lotion and a shave cream in one. We're just going to put it on his neck, and then after we shave, we can just rub it right into the skin as an aftershave. And this is going to give him an extra 2 or 3 days. It's a really nice finishing touch that most places don't do. So I'm going to start out with my razor, and I'm using a free hand stroke. I tend to have a heavy hand, so the proper way to hold the razor is with just your pinky on the one side. I put 2 fingers on the other side just because I have, as I said, I have a little bit of a heavy hand, and I just want to glide the blade over the skin. So I give the skin a good stretch. I don't use any pressure with the razor at all. The stretch is what gives you a nice close shave. And then we just lightly glide that over the skin. And I keep the razor flat on the skin. I don't angle it out like this and scrape the hair off. I want it nice and flat so it's real comfortable. You don't want your customer to really feel like there's any razor going over his skin. And you can see with his skin, especially fair skin, you're going to notice if there's any irritation. You can see his skin doesn't look any different after the shave. There's no red marks, there's no irritation. So we want to keep that skin nice and tight. And then you never want the razor getting too far away from your finger, stretching the skin. Okay, and then if there's any razor bumps or molds or anything, obviously we don't want to shave over those. And that's the nice thing about my shave lotion is that it's semi-transparent, so you can see right through it. So a lot of times if you put a heavy shaving cream on, you have to wipe it off before you shave, which kind of defeats the purpose. That's why I like to use something like this better than the hot lather machines. And then to get it real close along here, I just switch to my backhand stroke, which is the same. Both fingers go on the other side, and then you can get it nice and close that way. Because if you do it this way, you're going to cut into the hair. And then when I'm done, I just rub it right in. It's mostly rubbed into the skin anyway. And then it just keeps the skin nice and soft. And like I said, it's an aftershave. And the shea butter, the cocoa butter, and the aloe are all anti-inflammatories. So the skin is not going to get irritated.